Yo guys, this is by far one of the biggest finesses of all time. This has never happened to me before, and I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna try to take all my personal emotions out of it and give you guys a full, details of it. But Nike really played us today, bro. We've been saying it all week long, bro. Nike has been playing with our emotions, playing with our money. They ain't playing no games, bro. They don't care. They doing stuff totally different, bro. Totally different. And when I'm gonna tell you guys today in today's video, you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. An exclusive access draw for 2 hours. What is this, man? Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, bro. I had to get that outro out the way, or the intro out of the way, just to kind of, get into my full, we gotta get into that bag, bro. We gotta talk about what Nike is doing to us, bro. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please, man, hit the like button. Before we get any further, if you don't even want to subscribe, just let me know down below in the comment section if you got access to the Air Jordan 1 U and the LA Unbacks, and let me know if you got a W or a L, because that's two different things in 2025. You can get exclusive access. That don't mean you got this shoe locked down, which is crazy to think about. But again, we're gonna talk about that. But again, man, sub up, hit the like button, and I guess we can get into the full meat and potatoes of today's video, bro. We gotta talk about it, man. All right, so you guys know over the last couple of weeks, we've been seeing information about a potential drop on the Nike sneakers app. We know if it's gonna be exclusive access. We know if it's gonna be a shock drop. We know if it's gonna be a full-blown release of these I'm Back unit LAs on the Nike sneakers app. And as you guys seen yesterday in my video, I helped you guys out. I said it's gonna be something tomorrow, just based off of some of the discords I'm in, some of the information that's getting passed around throughout the sneaker community. I say, you know what, let's just make that assumption that we do see something, because 9 times out of 10, we start seeing rumors and stuff, and 3-4 different cook groups is talking about it, it's most likely going to happen. But they say it's going to be an exclusive access. We heard shot drops for exclusive access, and as you guys seen today, it was an exclusive access draw. Two things combined into one. As you guys know, previously in the years, we have seen exclusive access where you got to hurry up and redeem that size, or redeem a shoe while supplies last. That's how I was going into it. Okay, if it's exclusive access, I should be good. But me personally, I got exclusive access. I said I'm good. I got a dub. I'm clicking the link super fast, and then once I get on there, it was a full 360 of emotions, bro. I said, well, hold on, bro. What is this? It was an exclusive access draw. And I'll put some screenshots up on the screen. I'm gonna show you guys what I was seeing. And I said, bro, this don't look right. It was a 2-hour exclusive access draw. I feel like that's worse, bro. That's taking an L on exclusive access draw is just worse than even just getting exclusive access in general. I'd rather just not get exclusive access for this draw than to go into the draw thinking I'm gonna get a W and ultimately get a L. That's like a double L, bro. Like, that is the worst experience I have ever dealt with Nike. They could have did that totally different, but again, I don't work for Nike. They don't care how I feel. I'm just give you guys my breakdown of this. You guys know we do recaps, man. Almost every release, especially major releases like this. But me personally, bro, I'm gonna show you guys a screenshot. I had exclusive access. I thought I was good. And I'm texting my boys. I'm like, bro, what is this? Why is it 2 hours long? Like, what is this about? And I waited a full 2 hours, man. Wait a full 2 hours, and they say, you know what, Derek, you would not get this pair of unit LA backs. I said, bro, that makes no sense. Like, I'm just trying to understand why they would even, gather a bunch of people together knowing that the shoe is not going to be like a guarantee. Like, I don't understand that. Like, I just need help understanding that whole idea of, we're not gonna guarantee a shoe, but we're gonna give you access to a draw to maybe get the shoe. And my whole thought process is, okay, since I didn't get my size 9.5, that means someone else got my 9.5, or what about all the other pairs that people didn't select, if that makes sense? So say, for instance, a whole bunch of people went in for a size 10, and they all take L's on that size 10, but it's more pairs of 13s and 11.5s. What happens with those pairs? Like, that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Like, it made no sense. That's why exclusive accesses makes more sense, because you can go in there and enter for the size you want, and you instantly get them if the shoes still last. But with it being a 2-hour draw, you don't know what's going on, bro. You do not know what's going on at all. And I want to read the screenshot I did take. This is something totally different. You know, they used to break down how they release sneakers. But for this one, man, I cannot wrap my hand around. I did not understand it at all. So I'm going to read it to you guys right now. So it says, add an exclusive draw. I'll put a screenshot up here so you guys can read it. It's an exclusive draw is also an invite-only randomized selection launch. Unlike today's exclusive access, everyone invited has the same amount of time to enter, which is 2 hours, and selection begins after the draw ends. You'll be notified of the results soon after. While our traditional exclusive access experience caters towards a limited number of community members, exclusive draw allows additional members of the community a chance at accessing some of our most coveted styles. Now that don't make no sense, bro. It makes no sense at all. And I'm telling you, bro, I felt so terrible, bro. Like, I was like, this is crazy. Because you guys know, I really want the UNLAs, really want the brick by bricks. I really want the SB4s. You know, of course, a lot of people want those sneakers. I'm not saying that I'm more worthy of getting this shoe. I'm just saying I really do want them. But to get, you know, handed exclusive access, you know, you feel like you good. You feel like you got a W. And then you turn around and you get an L. It's just, it's crazy, bro. So yeah, like I told y'all yesterday's video, I'm gonna pay a resale for the Ombacks, for the brick by bricks and SB4s. But the SB4s do release in April sometime. I don't think it's a confirmed date yet, but stay tuned, stick around for the full details of that. But yeah, man, that pretty much is how the release went, bro. Nike played a lot of people, bro. 2-hour draw makes no sense. Exclusive access draw makes double more no sense, if that makes sense. I'm just like really at a loss for words right now. But again, bro, like I'm telling you, when I got that L, my energy went from, yeah, I got exclusive access to, what the hell, what is this, bro? Like, I'm being dead serious with y'all, man. Like, if y'all could have seen my face when I seen it 2 hours and then it's saying exclusive access draw, I was like, bro, this makes no sense. I'm texting all my homies. This does not make any sense. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. Nike does not care how I feel. They don't care how you feel, especially when it comes to total line of exclusive accesses and draws. They're gonna say, oh, we gave you exclusive access, why aren't you happy? It's because I don't got the shoe. I wanted the shoe, man. Like, come on, bro. So yeah, this is yet another L I've taken. And again, you gotta take these L's with a grain of salt because, you know, one day you might get lucky and get a pair, and one day you might get lucky and get exclusive access and end up it being a draw. You still might take an L. That's crazy. Let that one sit in for a while. But in the comment section below, man, please let me know how your release went. I do want to know if you got a W, if you got an L, or if you even got exclusive access like I did. It was bad, bro. It was bad because you think if you get exclusive access, you got a W, but it is what it is. It's neither here nor there. But I do want to check the resale value right now to see kind of how things is going right now. So right now in the size 9.5, size 9, you're going for $396, which they did drop a lot. They dropped a lot from when they were first going for about $500–600, and now we can get them in the $300 price range. And when these pairs get shipped out, depending on how many pairs that it was, that could definitely dictate the resale. See how many more pairs is out there, see how much quantity is out there. And then hopefully I can get some numbers or a screenshot of the numbers from this exclusive access today. Usually that's a little bit harder to get because, again, they open up to a bunch of people who only had a certain amount of pairs. Makes no sense, but that's how they did it. So I'm pretty sure it was a limited exclusive access that they did do over on the app, man. So the prices fluctuate all the way from $300 all the way up to $420. I see your $450 for a size 14, size 10.5. $396, so right around that high 300s, and it could potentially drop just a little bit more. I'm gonna wait and see how they do after a couple of days because, again, I gotta pay resale for two. I'm not gonna count an L yet for the SBs, but I take an L on the raffles and stuff on the SBs, but I could get lucky in April. So for right now, I gotta pay resale for the brick by bricks, gotta pay resale for these Ombacks, and yeah, it is what it is, bro. It's how I go, bro. You got to pay to play. You don't always get lucky. And, yeah, you're either going to buy them or you ain't going to buy them at the end of the day. It's literally the only way you can sum it up to be. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Quick little wrap up of the release. It was crazy. Seeing a whole bunch of the homies live this morning. I'm like, yo, this is crazy. I don't know what's going on. But it is what it is, man. Hit that like button, sub up, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop. With all that's been said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in Next video, man. Peace.